Hi everyone, I warmly welcome you all to the next module of IPR Aware World, a social companion. Today we are going to introduce you one of the prominent research scholar at IIT Bombay, Mr. Abhijit Joshi. He is doing his postdoc in IIT Bombay. Welcome Mr. Abhijit and thank you for consenting to share your views with us. So first, I would like to ask you that you have spent a considerable time in the nanobiotechnology research field. So, whatever experience you have in IPR field and your association with IPR, we would like to know.
Basically, I have my research has been focused in the drug delivery area, and it has more been towards conventional drug delivery areas in the earlier part of my career, and then I moved to nanotechnology. My relation with IPR generated basically during my post-graduation. There was an excellent quote by Dr. Parikshit Bansal in National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education Research, Mohali. And that course was a basic fundamental, gave us the fundamental background about IPRs. It gave all the aspects of patents, copyrights, designs, and all the protection which an innovator can have. And that was the fundamentally the background of the fundamental knowledge which I gained during for IPRs. So after when I was doing my research, our lab was very highly productive, and many researchers were that they carried out very highly patentable and innovative research. But there was no knowledge about IPRs and how to protect these ideas. So it was essential to go through this course and then protect your ideas and so that they can be commercialized in the market.
So, along the time, you have so many awards, like innovative awards. Would you like to tell about these awards?
Yeah, actually, basically, the awards are the fruits of
Your
the
hard
hard
work, yeah,
work research. So first you have to try to gain something in research, to do some hard work, and then awards follow. Just like that, awards will not come. You have to carry out a lot of research, and then you might get some award. So we have been able to work hard in nanotechnology area, and we have been working in drug delivery for imaging aspects, for biosensors, and in that we have achieved a Young Biotechnologist Award from Department of Biotechnology. And I have a grant from Department of Biotechnology called Rapid Grant from Young Innovators.
So during the time, whenever you have feel that I have some invention at that time, so at that time I have to go for a patent filing. So would you like to share your experience, whatever you have in IPR domain?
Yeah, basically, actually, there's a problem in what I feel in India. In India, people don't know about what is IP protection. They don't have any knowledge. Means the basically students, they don't have any idea. Maybe professionals will be having a lot of knowledge, but that knowledge has not been shared. And students need to know more about what is IP, why it needs to be protected. And this, whatever efforts you are taking, that's very commendable.
Yeah.
And people need it. Students need it, and they need to know what is IP protection. They need to know how to file a patent, what are the documents needed, how to search, what is the novelty, and all these aspects will bring light for the new innovations coming. Recently, I had a visit in Gandhian Young Technology Award in IIM Ahmedabad. They were so I can share you that experience that small kids they have an award called Ignite Award. There are school children who carry out innovations. In floods area, normally what happens, these water pumps go down. They sink in the floods. So he invented the water pumps which can be raised up based on buoyancy, and that can be used for taking out drinking water. So you can imagine what, but these needs protection. It's a very nice idea, but it needs protection. So this IPR knowledge is very essential.
So do you have file patent?
Yeah, I have. I tried filing a patent in my postgraduate, but unfortunately I could not continue on it. But yeah, in my doctoral work, I have filed 2 US patents applications, and recently one Indian patent application is in process. Maybe in 1 or 2 months it will be.
We would like to wish that hopefully very soon you will get your grant. And at the last, we would like to ask you that what is your advice to the young research aspirant whoever is working in this research field?
Yeah, there are need to understand all the research related information. reading, understanding, and then transforming into your applications. And that will create a new line of research, new areas which will come into picture after you apply existing knowledge into your ideas. Many people are working on several aspects,
Yeah.
and thinking out of the box will create newer ideas, newer innovations, and that will give you an edge.
So that was Mr. Abhijit. We shall have many more such interactions, so stay tuned.